And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Two players are now in hospital after a lightning strike at the Issa Manning Cup game between Jamaica College and Wolmer's boys at the Stadium East had to be called off due to the inclement weather on Monday. TVJ Sports understands that a total of 4 players, 2 from either side, were affected by the lightning strike, which forced the abortion of the game in the 84th minute. JC's coach Davian Ferguson says he's only concerned about the recovery of the players who were affected.
My mind is not necessarily on the game now. My mind is actually with the youngster who is at the UC now, and I pray and hope that he's well. It's a sad feeling. Personally, I've never been a part of anything like this before. I've actually heard about it, but actually seeing it, it was a little bit touching, and I just hope that the youngsters are indeed okay.
Wolmer's had come from behind and were leading JC 2-1 when the incident occurred. Garrington Baker opened the scoring for JC in minute number 14, but Wolmer's were level on the stroke of half-time through Orlando Russell. The Wolmerians were ahead just 4 minutes after the resumption through Deshaun Bernard, and the JC had the opportunity to draw level, but Philon Lawrence missed a penalty in minute 54. JC were down to 10 men in minute number 59 after Omar Thompson was sent off for a second bookable offense.